Hi, good day. My name is Mike Chester Tilasap, 1BS Crime Section 1 IRB 007. My essay of drug abuse and street crime. Drug abuse is one of the most serious social problems in today's society because of his strong link to street crime. The harmful effects of drugs extend beyond the user, as they affect families, communities, and public safety. When people fall into addiction, their need for substance often becomes stronger than their sin of responsibility, and this can push them toward illegal and destructive behaviors. One of the main reason drug abuse leads to crime is the financial burden in place on the individual. Addicted people often spend large amounts of money on drugs, leaving them unable to provide for themselves or their families. As a result, many turn to them robbery or burglary to gain quick money for their addiction. Police records in many countries show a significant percentage of petty crimes and committed by drugs-dependent individuals. These crimes may seem small at first, but create in communities and disrupt in society. In addiction to finance drive crimes, drug abuse also increase the rate of violent behaviors. Certain substances affect the brain and emotion, cause people to become more aggressive or lose control of their action. This often results in street fights, domestic violence, or even murder. Moreover, the illegal drug trade itself creates organized group and gangs that complete of control, leading to shooting and other violent inside in neighborhoods. This not only harm those directly involved, but also puts innocent people at risk. Yun lang po.